Hi, welcome to the video 10 of our Adobe Premiere Pro classes. Today in this video, we are talking about the adding and adjusting the transitions in Premiere Pro. This is where the true magic happens for your cuts. Basically, you can shift from hard cuts to smooth cuts, and I can say that it's like a more polished way. First, I will show you what are the effects by default we get in the Premiere Pro. I actually opened an existing project file. Go to the effects panel. If in case effects panel is not showing, go to Windows. From here, select the effects. Maybe you are unable to see all these folders because some of the folders I created and some are imported. But anyways, we are going to this section called video transitions. These all transitions are available by default in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you click on dissolve, we are having a lot of options. And one more thing here guys, you need to apply this transition between two clips. That's it, and make sure enough more time is there before applying this transition. If in case your video is ending at 2 minutes, don't use 2 minutes and other clip at starting point, because this won't work for the transitions. Make a trim version of 1 minute 55 seconds or 1 minute 57 seconds and add the transition. It works beautifully. So if in case you want to make any transition as default one, so right click on it, choose select as default transition. I actually selected the cross dissolve, that's why it's highlighted with a blue color here. There are so many things out there which you can use depending on the feel and how your overall flow of the video looking like. When it comes to audio, for audio also some transitions are there. As you can see, audio transitions, click on it and click on cross fade. Only these three options are available. That's it. We don't need a lot of options for audio transitions. Basically, I don't use at all. Mostly I use the constant power when it is a hard cut happening from like let's say one audio file to another audio file. Here the one audio file is in indoor conditions, the another is in outdoor condition. So I want like smooth transition between those two. So I use constant power sometime. I'll show you applying one transition here. The thing is, you can actually change some of the settings after applying the transition. I'm going to video transitions. Let's say cross dissolve between these two clips. See, this is the cross dissolve transition. If you double click on this, a new window will open. Here you can change the transition time. It is like 25 frames. If in case you can increase it. If you go to the effects control panel, it's not showing. I need to enable it. Effects control. As you can see here, some more options we get. So if you select this, oops, yeah, you can see the alignment as well. It is actually at center at the cut. If you click on start at the cut, it starts from start of the other clip. If it has end at a cut, it fades out in the previous clip. Even if you want, you can increase or decrease the fade transition time. That's it. This is all about the transitions. So one of the pro tip here is don't overdo transitions in overall project file. A simple cut is often better than like these type of fancy transitions. If in case you want to use those transitions whenever you want, yes, you can use that, but make sure they serve the story. Otherwise it's useless and the viewer on the other side feels irritated about the transitions. I saw some of the people on YouTube where they use that 3D block option for transitions. That irritates me a lot. Why are you using that? So that's all about the transitions in Premiere Pro for both video and audio guys. Before we wrap up, if you want one-on-one mentorship and coaching on how to run a successful YouTube channel, including strategies I have personally used, fill out the Google form in the description box. I'd love to work with you and help you grow faster. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another one.